Welcome, my name is Nicholas from the Office Superheroes channel. Today, in this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to quickly and easily change the color of a chart in Excel. We'll just need a few clicks to do it. So what can we start? First, we need to double-click on any of the columns in the chart. On the right-hand side, we will see a panel with different formatting options. We click on the Fill a Line option, which is shown in the bucket. Here we can choose both the color fill of the columns and the type of border. We'll show you both options. First, we'll show the fill. This will expand the number of options for how we can fill the columns in the chart, such as no fill, solid fill or gradient fill, and many others. If we want to change the color of the columns, we click on the icon next to the color item. Now we can choose from the colors they offer us. If we would like a different color than what is offered here, we can click on More Colors. Here we can mix the color that we like or insert it using RGB or hex code. We will choose this color. If we press OK, Excel will automatically change the color of the chart. We won't change the color now, so we press Cancel. If we would like to apply a different color to each column, Excel allows us that option. We click on the Vary Colors by Point option. Each column in the chart now has its own color. We will change the color in the same way as before. In this example, we will click on Evaluate and change the color to purple. However, if we are not comfortable with this option and would like one color for all columns, we simply deselect it. Deselect the Vary Colors by Point option. We have the chart in one color again. Great! We can still change the margins of the chart columns. Expand the border option. Once again, we're presented with a menu of multiple editing options. We'll select the solid line option and change the blue border to, for example, orange. Now we can add transparency and width. If we have formatted the chart, we close the table using the cross at the top right. We are done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, let us know via a comment or like. If you are interested in other videos on how to quickly learn how to work with Excel, in that case, don't forget to subscribe. That's all for me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes, and I hope to see you in the next video.